Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. Yes, another video again. Finally, I'm back to making more videos for you guys. It's already September and you know, summer is over. There is less outdoor and travel activities for us. Kids are back in school, so now I have a little more time filming videos. So here I am. Back to you guys. We're not going to do unboxing. I'm going to show you the bag that I recently purchased. This is the Pillow Tabby. So we're going to talk about this bag. If you want to hear more about this bag, please keep on watching. But before we start, welcome, I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Alright, let's talk about this bag. This is the Pillow Tabby 26 in the color Red Apple. As far as I can remember, the Pillow Tabby came out around February 2021, and they came out with the neutral colors like the cream, the black, and I think they have the gray. And they also came out with the smaller one, which is a size 18. At the time, I was like, oh, I want a Pillow Tabby. Everybody was talking about the Pillow Tabby and how they love it. And I was eyeing the color cream. But if you have been watching my videos for a while now, you will know that I don't buy Coach bags in full price. I usually wait until they go on sale. But the cream colored and the black color with the gold hardware, they never went on sale. And it was just like it's always full price, or that color will be discontinued. So for the longest time, I've been like looking at this bag, watching YouTube videos, and seeing how they love it, and more colors came out, and I still haven't bought this bag. I even saw this bag at Macy's, this exact color, but when I saw it was 60% off at the time at Macy's. But then looking at it, it looks so washed out. It doesn't look red. It looks faded. So I said, oh no, I will not get that red color. And then on the Facebook group, they posted, I think it's either Neiman Marcus or Bloomingdale's, that they have the hunter green color with the gold hardware. So I went there and tried to buy that color because I like that color, and it sold out right away. So okay, no more Tabby for you, Tracy. But then this one showed up at the Coach outlet website. It's like, oh my gosh, it's 64% off. Why not, right? There's three colors in that website at the time. That's the aqua and the coral, and this is the only one that's 64%, and then the other two were 60% off. So I said, oh, that's a good deal, 64% off. So I paid now $198 for this one because the other two were priced $220. But little did I know that the discounted price is from the new price increase of this bag. Yes, you heard it right. The Pillow Tabbies had a price increase. It used to be $495. Now it's $550. So the 64% discount I paid is from the $550. But looking at this price tag, so it still says here $495. If I purchase this for $495 and I paid $198, it's only 60% off. But anyway, since I got this bag, I am happy that I purchased this one. I received this bag in like fully wrapped packaging, like factory wrapping. I was surprised, and I mentioned when I saw this at Macy's, it looks like a faded red, but looking at this and playing with this, it doesn't look like faded red. It looks like a good color of red. It's not too bright, not too dark, but a good color of red. So now let's take a look at this bag. A quick 360 look at this bag. This is the front with the signature C. I like it that it has that gold hardware on the side of the C, magnetic closure. This is the side. It has a removable pillowy hang tag. And then I like the detail on this bag. You see that metal hardware. And on the back, there's no pocket. It would be nice if this bag has a back slip pocket. And then on the other side, it looks like so. And the bottom has no feet. This bag is made of Nappa leather. And like touching this bag, oh, this feels so soft and squishy. Like you can just like squish this bag. When they say Pillow Tabby, pillow, yeah, this is pillowy soft. As you can see me squishing this bag, it is soft and like yeah, all I can say is like it's so squishy. This bag comes with a top handle, can be used over your shoulder, and also it comes with a long strap that can be used as a crossbody or over your shoulder. The difference between the two straps, this one is like pillowy strap, this one is not, it's flat. Let's take a look at the inside of this bag. This bag has two open compartments with zipper pocket in the inside. The inside lining is made of the same leather material, Nappa leather, and the zipper compartment inside is fabric lined. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. It can fit in the middle compartment and will be able to close it. I pulled a big wallet here. I have a Tory Burch Fleming zip wallet. Bag is big enough to fit a big full-size wallet. I pulled my mini pochette and it can fit inside and you will be able to close the bag. So there you go. As you can see, it creates a wrinkling in here. That's we'll talk about that. So though this bag is a little small, it can fit a lot, but if you don't want to create more wrinkling and creasing on the bag, probably don't overstuff this one. But if it doesn't bother you, just fill up to your heart's content. Let's talk about the wrinkling on this bag. As you can see, when I close the bag, if it's full, you will see creasing in there. When I received this bag, everything was smooth. I've mentioned I got this fully wrapped in the factory wrapping and everything was smooth. But then when I was playing with this bag, like see what can fit inside, trying to put stuff in it, then I started to notice it has some wrinkling. So you can see that. Hopefully the camera can catch that. And then also in here, you can see wrinkling in here. There you go. The wrinkling in there. And then you can see like a straight line. But when you look at it, it's just like a crease of a straight line. I guess it's from opening it. It creases. And then also the inside. Look at that. So that part I don't like about this bag. If I receive this wrinkly, probably I would return it. But since I received it all smooth, the wrinklings only showed when I started playing with the bag. Basically, it's me who did the wrinkling on the bag. Like, I hope you get what I mean. The thing I've noticed with this bag is that as I keep on playing with this bag, the more wrinkles are showing. So if that's a concern for you, probably this is not a bag that you would purchase. But for me, it's okay. So I just wonder, like, as I use this bag, I wonder how much more wrinkles will add up on this bag. But other than that, I think it will be okay, I guess. If it's a black bag, probably it would not show up. I've seen like the Chanel 19 because of the leather type. I think, I'm not sure if it's a lambskin or Because I know there's one is a goat skin and probably lamb skin that the Chanel 19 just wrinkle over time. My battery died. I have to charge it, but I don't wanna pause this filming and then do it later. So I'm using my phone now to film the rest of the video. So if you notice any difference in color and angle, please don't mind it. It's just a different camera I'm using. Overall, I like this bag. I like how pillowy this bag is and how it feels comfortable to touch. I have a tappy pillow now. Concern about this bag is that the wrinkling. I don't know if this will progress and get worse in time, but hopefully not. It's just probably my preference, not a concern. But this bag I would not wear over my shoulder because it feels like it's under my armpit already. Like, it feels soft though when you wear it, but then I don't want my bags just right under my armpit. That's all. It would be nicer that this shoulder strap will be a little longer. I still have to wear this bag to see if it's going to be comfortable. Since this is a Nappa leather and soft, smooth leather, this is probably prone to scratches, and then this one might get scratched easily when I open this. Other than that, I like this bag. Hopefully I will get more use. So that's it for our video for today. The Coach Pillow Tabby 26 in the color red apple. If you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.